about a month ago, a guy I know, he just got back from Hong Kong, and he wanted to come by with his daughter who is pregnant. And I'm not in the mood to have someone who's about to give birth here around my birds and worry about my birds biting her or slipping and falling. And mind you, this girl is a bartender at a casino and not like the high roller part at all. But I said okay because, he's a friend, or not really a friend, but, So then he calls back and he says, he calls back in kind of an arrogant way, says, oh no, the birds might get my daughter sick. All right, well, that was enough for me. I'm like, are you kidding me? First of all, he just got back from Hong Kong, okay, right? Coronavirus, idiot. And then his daughter is a bartender in a casino with people coughing all over her, and all the diseases that she probably could bring around my birds. These birds, you see, they shower. These birds shower just about every day, and really shower. They're always preening. They eat nuts in shell, organic fruit, organic vegetables, distilled water. They're not carrying some gnarly diseases like coronavirus or bird flu or anything like that. In fact, if I was going to have to eat an animal, it would be one of them, because I know what they eat. They're not stuffed with antibiotics and weird diets to make them fat, or processed foods. Telling me that my birds might get his pregnant daughter sick. You gotta be kidding me. Please promote my channel to your friends. Thank you.